Hello, this is Sivanna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I created this festive wedding season tutorial. If you want to know how I create this look, keep watching. First I am using hydrating primer. I'm using Lakme Absolute Perfect Makeup Primer.
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Cold inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is good.
I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in color 230.
You will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you.
Blend this all. I'm using this buffer brush.
Yeah, it's just me and you. Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, of my wasted love.
Light imperfection. I'm using Allegal Pro Conceal in color Warm Honey.
Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, of my wasted love. It's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you.
Face, I'm using this Nybae multi-stick in color 7 raising in rosy wood. To blend this contour, I'm using this brush.
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Cold inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done.
To blend this all concealer, I'm using this brush.
Yeah, it's just me and you.
this Rimmel Stay Matte powder in color silky beige.
Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, all my
You can see that the base is completed. Now I am starting with the eyes. My eyes is already primed. Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette shade to mattify all my, mean to say, set my lid. This shade in my crease. And using same color in my outer corner. This darker shade in my outer corner. And dragging a little amount of it inner corner too. And dragging this in my crease too. Darker shade to create a eyeliner, smudge eyeliner. Smaller brush and this black shade to follow the same eyeliner. This Wet n Wild eyeshadow glitter shadow in color toast. To say the glitter eyeliner in color golden, because that shadow is not even working, like taking the base off. Already applied mascara. I'm using this palette from Sivanna colors, ultra blush palette in 04. And first I'm using this bronze to bronze my face. Now I'm using same brush to apply blush. Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick in color Rose Gold. Loreal Paris Kajal Magique. And also a little in my waterline. Mixing this shade and this shade. I'm so confused now. I'm using this shimmer shade in my inner corner and a brow bone. Blending and to blend all this. Lips, I'm using this lip pencil from Me Now second generation. Lips, now I'm using this lipstick from Kiss Beauty in color 2.